Hello, students. Good morning. Have you all? I think you all are fit and fine. Now, let's start study. Standard 4, Subject ENV, Chapter number 1. The name of the chapter is Let's Go to School Every Day. Do you go to school every day? Yes. You like to go to school. Now, let's have a reading. You come to school, but we all are come to school in the different ways. Like, is you come to school by walk? Maybe it is possible that your friend come to school by bus, right? You come to school every day. All come to school in different way. Some by walk, some come by rickshaw or on a bicycle or on a scooter. Likewise, all have to come to school in their own ways, but it is not the same at every place. At many places, going to school is a very challenging. What do you mean by challenging? It means you need to face some problems while coming to school. While it is raining and if you are near the riverside, then you need to face a challenging that how can you cross the river? How can you come to school? So it is the challenging job sometimes. Let's have a look the picture. Let's meet some children and know how they reach to school. Look at the first picture. This is the picture of a rickshaw. Let's have a look of the first picture. Can you able to see over here a rickshaw with the students like you? What is this picture indicate? Over here there are given some examples, right? The example of what? Example of challenging that how to come to school. Now let's read. We live in Ahmedabad city. School is very far from home. So we cannot easily go to school. We use auto rickshaw to attend the school. How do you go to school? We go to school by bus, bicycle, by walk, and parents drop and pick up, and by a rickshaw, etc. Now, can you able to see the second picture? This is the picture of a cement bridge. We are living on either side of the river. Bridge is a build over the river. We go to school by crossing this bridge. This bridge is made of cement, bricks and iron rods. Bridge have stairs too. Now this picture is indicated that this is the cement bridge. The cement bridge is made of bricks, cements and iron rods. They have many stairs. It means that many supports are there. Now turn the page. Page number 2. Bet Dwarka. Some places of Gujarat are surrounded by the water. So boats are used. We are living in the kind of area we use boat to go to school. Bet Dwarka is also the same kind of places. Page number 3. Look at the picture. This is the picture of a camel cart. We live in the desert. There is sand all around. Sand gets very hot during the day. We ride in the camel cart to reach the school. Now, the next one, the picture of bullock cart. We live in a village. We ride on our bullock cart, going to slowly through the green fields to school. If it is too sunny or raining, we use our umbrella. The next picture is bicycle ride. Look at the picture. The girl is riding a bicycle. Our school is far away. At first, girls here did not go to school. But now all girls easily go to school on the bicycle. Now turn the page number 4. My school van. My school and my van. Look at this picture. How the children is happy. We are living very far from school. School has arranged vehicles for us in the which we go to school every day. Now let's sing a song of our school bus. School bus, driving around the town, picking up and dropping off, and bumping up and down. Turn to the left and turn to the right. This school bus is out of sight. Big, loud, and yellow. My bus is a really neat. Hop up and take the front of seat. Page number 5. Can you think of a place where none of these vehicles can reach? Are there such places? This is the picture of a jungle. Children cross the jungle. We live in Gir forest. We have to go through a thick forest to reach school. It is very silent in the jungle that we can hear the sound of different kind of birds and animals. We go to school through the jungle every day. This is the picture of a rocky paths. We live on a mountain. The paths are rocky and uneven. It means that it is a not smooth surface and it is uneven. For other the paths is difficult, but we can easily come up and down. We use this path to go to school. Now turn the page number 6. My name is Nidhi. I study in 4th standard. I cannot do work easily like the other children. My legs are not working by birth. At first, I found difficult to go to school. My mother was lifting me every day to school. But now I am coming to school on my own. I have been provided with a wheelchair by which I go school regularly. Except Gujarat, other states also have to kind of these paths which we do not have here. Let's see how the students go to school there. This is the picture of a ropeway. Have you ever been to Pavagadh or Ambaji? There is a ropeway to reach the temple from down to up. Ropeway consists of a strong rope and wires and trolley. We sit in the trolley and go up. Except this, in many states, because of heavy rain, there is a lot of water. So, to cross it, bridge of bamboo is made. At many places, wooden bridge made of ropeway is used. No matter whether there is a dense forest, farms, rivers, mountain or desert, we will regularly to reach school.